In the last session, we provided you information about the admissions, about counseling, and about assignments. In this particular session, I am going to deal with what is self-learning material. The SLM is an important component of IGNOU program, and it is called as self-instructional material because it provides you a total paraphernalia by which you can learn on your own. This is an integral part of instruction in the open and distance learning system of IGNOU. Every SLM has blocks, units, sections, subsections, and then there are index questions, exercises, etc. A learner can expect SLM approximately 1 to 2 months from the date of confirmation of admission. And once you get it, you are required to start reading it. In general, what the regional center does, it is posted to the learner's address through express parcel post. And we have provided a tracking system also for students under our RC. Sometimes there is a delay in sending the SLM, but we provide the entire tracking system on our website, and if the study material is not available at the regional center, we will tell you that the study material has not been received from the IGNOU headquarters. The status of dispatch along with the tracking number can be checked in the regional center's website, which I have given you link here. Under the column study material dispatch July 2030, a learner can also check their status of delivery through the tracking system from the Indian Post website. In case a learner did not receive the study material, after 1 month from the date of dispatch, the learner can come to us and can obtain a duplicate copy of the set of self-instructional material. Now, I am going to tell you about how to study the study material. This is very important because everybody does not know that the study material is not a book. Each program has program guide which provides a brief about the introduction of the program, the courses in the first, second and third year. Each course consists of variety of teaching materials and other components of study. For example, text, audio, video, contact session, project, library, laboratory work, assignments, etc. So, you have to understand how to read the study material. Now, as a regional center, what are the support services that we provide? You can download all forms from the download section of the IGNOU website or the regional center website. You can, for some of the things, for example, name and address correction in spelling, in name or address can be rectified by the regional center itself. You can approach us and we will change it. The change of program for BA to BCom or from BCom to BA or BSc to BCom, such kind of changes can also be done at the regional center. So the change of program is only permitted in the first year of study within 30 days from the receipt of first set of course material. A student has to pay the full fee for the new program and they will have to forfeit the fee paid for the earlier program opted by. Similarly, change of medium. Some students see that they are not able to cope up with English, so they come to us for change of medium. That is also permitted within 30 days from the receipt of first set of course materials. So you have to understand that this can only be done on payment basis. Payment should be made by way of a demand draft drawn in favor of IGNOU payable at Delhi. All payments should be made by demand draft only in favor of IGNOU. Please understand, no cash. Similarly, change of regional center. Sometimes people get transferred. If you need to change the regional center from one to another, you need to apply through the regional center. You will have to come to me. You have to come to us. In case change of region in practical oriented programs is concerned, like computer programs or BSc program, you will have to get a no objection certificate from the other regional center where you are going, because they may not have a study center where these courses are implemented. So similarly, the character certificate. Since IGNOU is a distance learning institute, the IGNOU regional center does not issue a character certificate. However, we will give you a letter which is known as a bona fide certificate. We will tell you that he is a bona fide or she is a bona fide student of IGNOU. For change of courses, medium, program, the requisite form along with the fee is to be submitted at the regional center. For change of elective courses, program and medium of study is permitted only within the first 30 days. Friends, so all these support services that we provide has a cost attached to it. There is a fees, and the fee is given in this chart. You can see the chart, you can understand what costs you how much money, and therefore when you are doing this, you have to be very careful. Now I will tell you something about project and Viva. This is also a very important component in education that is provided under IGNOU. The information regarding synopsis, project submission, Viva VOC is provided in the program guide. Project synopsis or project report evaluation and Viva for BCA, MCA, retailing program are done at the regional center. The project synopsis, project report evaluation, Viva for MAPC program is done at the study center itself. Similarly, project synopsis for various other programs can be submitted in the concerned school at IGNOU headquarters. You can see it here, the kind of programs which can be submitted at the IGNOU headquarters. The project report for the MP program and other programs which is contained in this list here. So all these programs, the project can be submitted at the project cell at the student evaluation division at IGNOU headquarters. You can submit it to us also, but we will have to also send it over there. Now, I will like to tell my students certain do's and don'ts that you have to always remember. Friends, always respect the deadline. Always submit your assignment before filling the examination form. Demand tutor comments on your evaluated assignment. Always carry iCard, the ID card in your center, even if everybody knows you. Always keep a copy of the assignment, allotment letter, receipt of payment in a folder at your home till you get a degree. You might need it any time. Similarly, always communicate through email and create a folder of record in your mailbox. What happens sometimes is that the hard copy of the letter which you submit to us may get misplaced, and nobody will say that I had got the letter, and therefore it is important that you communicate only through email. Always sign the attendance on the day you go to the center. Please do not sign the attendance for the entire month. Always put a date on the attendance sheet. so that we also know that you attended. Always demand that counseling schedule is followed. If on some day there are no classes, you went over there is no counselor available, go and talk to your coordinator and ask him, demand him that why the classes are not held. Always put up a query on RC Delhi 2 website that I have already shown you if you experience any problem in the study center or at the regional center. If you do not get any services from any center, give me a query on the regional center website, which I will read and respond. Now, there are certain don'ts that you will have to follow. Never miss a counseling schedule. Always go to the center. Never give cash to anyone under any circumstances. Even if somebody gives you receipt, don't give him cash, because there are no cash deal in IGNOU and there are no charges for any activity. Never copy an assignment either from the web or from any student. If you are referring to the web, reading from the web, always include it in the references. Give acknowledgement that I have studied this. And friends, never miss the deadline for re-registration or exam form submission. You would lose a semester, a year by your own carelessness. And never lie if you have made a mistake. Owning your mistake is the first step towards resolution of your problem. Friends, never delay or forget if a SMS is received from my regional center. Promptly follow up on the directions given to you on the SMS and take it forward. Never sign on any attendance sheet for the whole month, because that kind of a sheet will always be misused in your name. Never forget that all information about you is on the RC website. Do not wait for any hard copy letter. Get your details printed from the website. And friends, please do not call the RC. We would not be responsible for any information which is given on phone. Always write a mail. It is answered by officers within a day and it will have verifiable information. Verifiable means that you can always verify it. So in this particular section, I have told you about SLM, the self-learning material, how to prepare for your learning, and also about the student support services. What are the fees connected to any kind of service that we provide, and also I have requested you what you must do and what you must not do. Always remember that, the do's and don'ts of the education in IGNOU.